Attention everyone, this is complainant James Pitts letting you know there is verifiable corruption within the Fulton County Probate Court and the Fulton County Superior Court. Everyone, you can file false estate deeds on estate property in Fulton County and nothing will happen to the person who did it. You can also go into a decedent's bank account and steal their money without even being appointed by the court. If you have been nominated in a will, even if you haven't been nominated in a will, nothing will happen to you. How do I know? It's because I have proof of it. And the corrupt Fulton County District Attorney's Office knows about it. Beginning with verified corrupt Deputy District Attorney Sonia Allen, who's supposed to be within the Anti-Corruption Division. Oh, Funny Willis knows about it too, and nothing has been done about it. I have legal documents with her email address attached to it. Haven't heard from her. Everyone, if you have a will in Fulton County, you better listen to me very well, because everything that I'm saying to you on this video is facts, and can't nobody call me a liar. That includes the verified corrupt District Attorney's Office. That includes the verified corrupt Fulton County Probate Court, the verified corrupt Superior Court, and any other verified court within the Fulton County Courthouse. They are corrupt. The Atlanta Police Department is corrupt too. You can file Atlanta police reports and nothing will be done. And Funny Willis is talking about RICO and conspiracy. There is a conspiracy right here at 136 Pryor Street. Yes, James Pitts said it. And if Funny Willis wants to meet with James Pitts, she knows my address. She knows my phone number. So does Sonia Allen. I have proof of it. While Funny Willis is concerned about Donald Trump and Young Thug, there are some Donald Trumps and Young Thugs right here at 136 Pryor Street. Beginning with the previous probate court judge Piketty Toomer, the current corrupt probate court judge Kenya Johnson, previous Fulton County Superior Court Chief Judge Christopher Brasher, and there's a host of other Superior Court judges that I'm going to be calling out by their name. And if they want to ever meet James Pitts in person, as long as we're out in front of this courthouse with the media, and you're going to answer these tough questions that I have for you, and these legal documents I'm going to present you with on the media, then we can have a conversation. Ain't going to be no private closed-door meetings. It is no longer about what happened unlawfully to my late mother, Fannie Renee Pitts, and I, James Pitts. I'm now protecting the Fulton County residents. I'm going to educate and inform the Fulton County residents about verifiable corruption within the Fulton County Probate Court. It is a shame that many of you are having to deal with Kenya Johnson. Let me tell you what she's also doing. She's using Superior Court judges to keep people out of court. I have proof of that too. It happened to me. It happened to Michael Burke. It happened to John Blash. And there are some other people that I know of that are contacting me about corrupt Kenya Johnson. And the FBI, they are aware of it. I've mailed documentation to the FBI last year. I've never heard from them. The director for the FBI for the Atlanta Division, oh yeah, I have proof of that. I have proof of mailing too. The DOJ, they have done nothing about it. I filed a complaint and also mailed information to the DOJ. Nothing has happened. So I want you all to be aware of the corruption. The Channel 2, Channel 5, Channel 11, Channel 46, oh, they're ignoring me. They don't want to do the story. So I'm creating my own media. I'm getting the word out on my own. Because, see, they know I have the facts. See, one thing I want you all to realize, you have the First Amendment right to criticize these corrupt elected officials in any county that you're in. You have the First Amendment right to call them out for their corruption like I'm doing. I'm not concerned about Funny Willis at all. I'm not concerned about not one district attorney at 136 Pryor Street, because they have the evidence that I've given them and they know they can't stop me. I'm going to expose the corruption in the Fulton County Probate Court, the Fulton County Superior Court, the Fulton County Magistrate Court, the Fulton County Sheriff's Office. I intend to expose it because I have verifiable documentation of it. Everyone, if you want to see some of my evidence, I want you to go to my Twitter page. Go to twitter.com/JamesIsAJeweler. Again, go to twitter.com James is a jeweler. I want you to scroll through my timeline. I want you all to see the many people, the many law enforcement agencies, even your elected officials in the state capitol I have tagged. Have I heard from any of these corrupt tyrants? Absolutely not. None of them. That's why I'm not a registered voter in the state of Georgia. I never have been and I never will be. I refuse to ever vote for any of these corrupt tyrants. They do not care about the private citizens. The only thing they are interested in doing is making a name for themselves. That's it. And trying to create a legacy for themselves and their family. They don't care nothing about you. And many of you hold these elected officials in high regard. They don't care nothing about you. And James Pitt said it, and I can prove it. All of your elected officials in the state capitol, go on my Twitter page, twitter.com/JamesIsAJeweler. I want you to see all the law enforcement agencies and even in other states that I tagged. Have I heard from any of them? No. Absolutely not. You want to see that you can file false deeds on a state property? I want you to go to my educational jewelry blog at jamesisajeweler.blogspot.com. Again, go to jamesisajeweler.blogspot.com. And you will see the blog post where I'm talking about disbarred attorneys. Because I'm suing the estate of Edward R. Downs Jr., who stole from my late mother's estate and I. And I'm also going to sue the State Bar of Georgia coming up after I'm done in Clayton County. I'm also going to sue the corrupt probate court of Fulton County as well, and Fulton County government. Your government officials at the on the government level, as far as your county commissioners, they're aware of it too, especially Rod Pitts. He's been known about it for years. I've even met with that corrupt tyrant, and he can't call me a liar. I've met with him. He is as corrupt as the day is long. All of your your Fulton County commissioners are corrupt, and they're aware of this. So everyone, if you would like to contact me, James Pitts, complainant James Pitts, my direct phone number is 404-447-5459. Again, 404-447-5459. I'm informing you all that there is verifiable corruption in the corrupt Fulton County Probate Court and the corrupt Fulton County Superior Court. You can file false deeds on a state property. Better yet, you can file false deeds on any property. Ain't nothing gonna happen to you. You can go in decedents' bank accounts and steal their money without being appointed. You can file false accountings on estates in the Fulton County Probate Court. Nothing's gonna happen to you. I have proof of it. Verifiable proof. I don't tell lies about what I do. I don't make false statements about what I know of. I guarantee you it's not one corrupt district attorney or one corrupt attorney general like Chris Carr. He corrupt too. Not one of them can call me a liar and prove it. And I guarantee you not one of them can come on record and call me a liar and prove it. But if you would like to contact me directly, my direct phone number is 404-447-5459. Again, 404-447-5459. And again, my name is James Pitts. I am a complainant, publicly reporting corruption at 136 Pryor Street in Fulton County, Georgia. Your local news media has been ignoring me. They don't want to do the story because they know I'm right. But yet they proclaim they are news leaders. No, they're not. If I was Donald Trump or Young Thug, they'd be all over me. But I'm not one of those people, and I have nothing negative to say about neither one of those people. They've done nothing to me. And as far as I'm concerned, Funny Willis has yet to try any police officers who have shot and killed an unarmed citizen. That woman don't care nothing about what those police do to us. She's trying to make a name for herself. There is corruption within this building right here, the Fulton County Courthouse, that she's aware of, especially Sonia Allen, because I met with her last year in April of 2022, and haven't heard from Sonia Allen anymore, even after I sent her a follow-up email, as well as her investigator. And I've already posted the email online for everybody to see that I'm not lying. So, Funny Willis is corrupt. Deputy District Attorney Sonia Allen is corrupt. I said it, James Pitts. And neither one of them can call me a liar on record, in front of a camera, and prove it. So again, I will also be suing the Fulton County Probate Court, as I said before, coming up after I'm done in Clayton County. because the State Bar of Georgia, they were aware of it since the death of my mother, and they did nothing about it. And the Atlanta Police Department, you need to stop lying to senior citizens about a civil matter when it comes to somebody filing false deeds on their property. That's a lie. Everybody, I want you all to Google OCGA 16-10-20, making false statements in writing. I want you to also Google OCGA 16-10-20.1. Again, OCGA 16-10-20.1, filing false documents. That deals with estate property or real estate in Georgia. If you file false documents on property in Georgia, that is a felony. It's not a civil matter. I want any of you to read any of those statutes. Contact James Pitts and show me where it says that it's a civil matter. They lied to that elderly woman in Southwest Atlanta because they did not want to basically correct the corruption of Kenya Johnson. And if you notice, Kenya Johnson hasn't come forward and said a thing. See that judicial immunity she got? See, she feel like, oh, I have judicial immunity. I don't have to say nothing. You corrupt tyrant, Kenya Johnson. You appointed somebody who had no business stealing this woman's house and selling it for $500,000. The woman got her property back, everybody. And if you all want to know more about that story, I want you all to get on Google, and I want you to Google elderly woman's home stolen in Fulton County. You will see it because it's on Channel 2's website. Everybody, I'm going to continue making videos about this corrupt building right here until everybody is made aware of what's going on at 136 Prior Street, which is the Fulton County Probate Court, the Fulton County Superior Court, the Fulton County Sheriff's Office, and the corrupt Fulton County District Attorney's Office. There's corruption in the city of Atlanta too, but right now I'm dealing with this Fulton County Courthouse. Make sure you all share this video. Share this video as soon as possible, because today is my late mother's estate. And the people I know of, tomorrow could be one of you, dealing with a corrupt probate court judge like Kenya Johnson, or even a previous probate court judge like Pinky T. Toomer. Corrupt tyrants that should have never been nominated, or should I say voted for, to be in this courthouse, because they are not for you. They are corrupt tyrants violating Georgia law. Thank you very much.